Hi guys, welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. We are going to be making this cute card. I think it turned out absolutely adorable. And we're going to be switching it up on this particular card. We're going to swap it out. Instead of using the crumb cake base on this one, the one we're going to do together, we're going to use the gorgeous grape to see which one we like better. We're using the Perennial postage stamp set, and all these supplies are right here that you will see. We're going to have a link below this video with all the measurements and all the supplies that you'll need to make this card. So let's get started. Okay, so I am using Gorgeous Grape as our ink. This right here came as a combo pack in the annual catalog. It is the Real Red and Burlap Ribbon combo pack. Thought it worked really good with this paper here. I took a strip off and then I also made a bow. All these pieces here we're going to glue together, but first I'm going to do stamping. Now you're going to have two pieces of your basic white. One's going to go on the inside, one's going to go on the outside. To start off, we're going to stamp our sentiment on the lower right hand corner of our basic white. I usually do not stamp on the inside of my cards. If you know me, I usually write really big, so I tend to leave my insides blank. However, it would be awesome if you guys stamped on your insides of your cards. Okay, we're going to glue this basic white piece to the inside of our card. Then we're going to take all these little pieces right here and we're going to glue the designer series onto the front of the grape. Okay, so now we're going to come in on our basic white. We're going to just line these pieces up on here to figure out where we're going to put these. And if you want, you can use your grid on your glass mat to help you line these up, which is probably what I will do on here. I'm going to use this dotted 19 to show me where to lay the point down. Because I have a challenge, I can't tie bows on items. I don't know what it is, but I end up always messing it up. So what I'm going to do on this is I'm going to take our tear and tape and put a little bit on each side of our ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and take the backing off of one side. And I'm just going to line it up where I want it to go. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and put dimensionals on the back of this here. All right, so now we're just going to layer this right on the front of the card. We're going to take this one and we're going to put dimensionals on it as well. I'm going to grab a glue dot, excuse me, good Lord, got dimensionals on the brain, imagine that. And we're going to place a glue dot on the back of our bow. And we're just going to lay it right on top over here. Okay, then we're going to come in with our iridescent gems. Iridescent foil gems. These are in the mini catalog. And we're just going to put a couple of these on the front. So we have our two different versions. We've got the crumb cake and the gorgeous grape one. Please let me know in the comments which ones you like. And then also, please make sure that if you did like this video that you make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects and inspiration like this. And then also, if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly crafting inspiration, make sure that you're subscribed to our newsletter. You can find all the information and the links below in the description of this video. Thanks!